CL StageMix is an iPad application that can be used to control your CL Series digital mixer. It's a great way to interact with the artist up on stage when setting up that monitor mix, or to walk around the venue and adjust settings on the fly. Keep in mind, CL StageMix can be used in tandem with CL Editor when working with your CL Series digital mixer. Let's take a look at CL StageMix, how we configure our iPad, how we configure that wireless network, and how we connect everything together so that we can control our CL Series digital mixer. Let's walk ourselves through the steps of connecting our iPad to our console so that we can use CL StageMix to control it via our wireless router. The first thing we want to do is verify that we're connected to the wireless router and that we have a static IP address on our iPad. The IP address that we show on our iPad should be similar to that that's on our console, but not exactly the same. The IP address on our iPad ends in 22. We want to make sure that our console ends in a different number. My console has an IP address ending in 128. So we'll be okay. Next, let's go ahead and open CL StageMix. The first thing we want to do is add the mixer to our library. This is done by touching where it says Add Mixer. Next, give your console a name. After naming our console, we will want to verify the IP address, then input the MAC address. The MAC address can be found in the lower right-hand corner. After adding the MAC address, we choose the model number that we're working with, then add that mixer to our library. Once the mixer has been added to your library, select the mixer, then touch Connect. Now our console and our mixer are in sync with one another. Choosing a bank can be done up here in the top section. Making an adjustment can be done by touching one of the faders. If you wish to EQ a parameter, simply touch in the EQ window to bring up that screen. For your input channels, you have the ability to adjust the EQ as well as the pan. You can also put your iPad in Sends on Faders mode for adjusting your monitor mixes or sends to an effect. After adjusting a monitor mix, if you wish to adjust the graphic EQ on that mix, you can do so from the iPad as well. Now you understand the basics of using CL StageMix with your CL Series console.